Okay, so today I am going on for the unlocking of my new upgraded PC system, as you can see. So in this one we have decided to put in some of the new overhauling features, like a new MB motherboard is new, and I have put here the Asus EX320M gaming motherboard. This one, as you can see, yes, the Asus EX320M gaming motherboard I have put in there. And you can see is the Expedia edition. It's the Expedia edition, as you can see already. So this thing is there, and then let's put the beast to life now. Let's see how it works. So you switch it on, and I have also put on a new processor, the Ryzen 5 3400G. The Ryzen 5 3400G with Radeon graphics. That's one I have put. Yeah, Ryzen 5 3400G. You can see with Vega 11 graphics already present. So I do not need a graphics card to play certain games. At least as long as the game is played in 720p FPS, and so it can be played with the built-in graphics card we have here, the AMD Ryzen 5 3400G. And so over here the processor, and you also need 2 RAMs for that if you are not going for the graphics card. So the 2 RAMs I have taken at the XPG Gaming's T30 3000 MHz PC4 DDR4 RAM. Okay, so since it's DDR4 RAM, okay, I have taken 2 RAMs so that the speed can be easily overclocked, since the motherboard I have is having of the speed of 2966 MHz, but I'm overclocking it to 3000 MHz, and the SMPS I have used is the MWE 650 of Cooler Master. So Cooler Master MWE 650, this SMPS I have used, it's over there. So, and this one, the cabinet I have used, the cabinet is of Corsair Carbide, is the latest model with 3.0 USB, and there are at least 4 fans. It's front intake and exit is on the back side, so there are 4 fans total, and there is a dust guard above it, so it works smoothly right now. So let's see how the beast works, and after that I'll bring an update after playing the games and the lags it creates, and if there's any issues. But I hope there won't be an issue as such, because it's using Radeon graphics, so I hope it won't be creating any issues. And the motherboard I am using is also pretty much good. It's a completely gaming motherboard, so I hope it will work well. So let's see. Hello, so I decided to give an overall idea about the things that I have bought and the prices it can attract. And this price over here, as you can see, is the total amount including the GST. So this price is expected to be around this in all the states. However, some local taxes may imply, so you can see it different in certain states. But overall in Bengal, Orissa, Bihar, it should go ahead in this price only. And these are the price of the single units which have been bought in twice amount, so you can see it in that way. And if you still have any kind of questions, you are most welcome to ask them in the comment section. So please go ahead and ask them in the comment section. So here it is, and I guess you can still check the price in Amazon as well. So check it in Amazon and then see where you can get the best deal.